Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is about me telling you all my most favorite lipsticks that suits all the Indian skin tone. मैं आज आपको 10 to 13 15 लिपस्टिक्स दिखाने वाली हूँ आज की वीडियो में। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि हर एक लिपस्टिक 300 रुपीज़ के अंडर है एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू सूट योर इंडियन स्किन टोन परफेक्टली। अगर आप मीडियम स्किन टोन हो, डस्की हो, या फिर इवन अगर आप फेयर हो, स्टिल ये सारे के सारे लिपस्टिक्स आपको बहुत अच्छे से कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे। सो विदाउट अ फर्दर डू लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट स्वॉच ऑफ द लिपस्टिक। सो आज की वीडियो में मैंने सारे काइंड ऑफ लिपस्टिक्स को कवर किया है। बुलेट लिपस्टिक, लिप टिंट्स हो गए, लिप ऑयल्स हो, ग्लॉसेस हो गए, ऑल द काइंड ऑफ एसेंशियल लिपस्टिक्स जो आपके पास होने चाहिए वो सारे के सारे इस वीडियो में कवर्ड है। एंड हर एक लिपस्टिक का प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट अंडर 249 रुपीज है। कुछ होंगे जो 249 से एक्सीड करेंगे, बट सब के सब 300 के नीचे है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो द फर्स्ट लिपस्टिक इज दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड Zudio एंड हर किसी को ये ब्रांड पता है। ये ब्रांड के लिपस्टिक्स, ओ माय गॉड, दे आर सो अफोर्डेबल एंड some of them are actually genuinely very good, and this one is one of them. It costed me around rupees 149 and it is very pretty. Look at it, look at the shade and the amount of lipstick that I have used, and this is the second one in the same shade. It is very pretty. I will show you. It's that roasted woody kind of a lipstick and बहुत सुंदर दिखती है, बहुत pretty. Wait, I'll show you. It's worth every penny that you give to this lipstick. It is super good and it's in the shade Bresin Raisin, and it's very affordable, very good lipstick. Okay, let's move on to the lipstick number 2, and this one is from Color Essence. Now ये brand बहुत लोगों को शायद से नहीं पता होगा। मैंने इसको एक local store से खरीदा था because I love the shade and it is actually good. And again you can see the amount of lipstick I have used. It is pretty similar to the one from Zudio, but it's good. It's a little lighter than the Zudio one, but it also suits your skin tone like magic. Again, very creamy, very buttery, not like it is going to transfer for sure. And I got it for rupees 150 again. So if you're getting this, you should definitely buy it. Okay, let me show you how it looks. Now this one particularly आपको लगेगा कि Zudio वाले जैसी ही है जो मैंने फर्स्ट में दिखाया, बट अगर अच्छे से देखोगे तो Zudio की जो लिपस्टिक मैंने इससे पहले बताई, इससे थोड़ी सी डार्कर शेड में है। अगर आपको थोड़ा सा लाइटर शेड चाहिए, यू नीड टू गो फॉर दिस वन एंड इट सूट्स द मीडियम डस्की स्किन लाइक परफेक्टली। एंड अगर आप फेयर हो तो आपको ऑलमोस्ट सारे लिपस्टिक सूट करेंगे ही। Moving to the lipstick number 3, this one is from Zudio, and when I purchased this particular lipstick, again this is for rupees 149, but when I particularly purchased this lipstick, I did not like the shade, and I guess my mom bought it for me, and like she brought it from Zudio, and when I saw it, it was not at all suiting my complexion. Like, I'll show you, wait. It is that पिंकिश लाइक वो नियॉन पिंक टाइप कलर है इस लिपस्टिक का, एंड इट डज नॉट सूट्स माय स्किन टोन. आई शो यू व्हाई. It is not suiting my skin tone because look at it. It does not like, if I don't feel confident enough to go out applying this lipstick. So I will show you what did I do. This particular lipstick is from Zudio. Unfortunately, I don't know the shade because I guess like the shade has been disappeared, like बार बार यूज करके शायद से वो निकल चुका है शेड. ऐसी दिखती है ये लिपस्टिक. इफ यू फाइंड इट इन द Zudio, you can purchase it. If you are a fairer skin tone than mine, definitely आपको बहुत अच्छे सूट करेगी. But if you are a darker skin tone or similar to my skin color, then you can buy this, but फिर आपको उसके साथ ये वाली भी खरीदनी पड़ेगी. And this is from L18, and this one is in the shade Choco Crisp. Again, I got it for something 70 or 80 rupees from any drugstore. You can purchase it online भी मिल जाएगी. And this is proper dark brown. Ab, when I purchase this particular lipstick, what I do on regular basis, this I just apply it over this, and this is my go to lipstick shade that मैं regular basis पे लगाती हूँ college में जाती हूँ तब. And trust me on this, every girl, like almost everybody has asked me ki which is the shade of lipstick that you're wearing, and this is particularly the combination of these two lipsticks. So you can go for this one. It looks like this, and it will perfectly suit your skin tone if you're the same color as mine or darker than mine also. But do not go for this lipstick if you are just going to buy this one, because ये आपको सूट नहीं करेगी अगर आप मेरे स्किन टोन से हो या फिर darker than mine. Okay, so abhi let's start with lip oils or lip stains, whatever you call it, and also lip glosses. So in this particular category I have a lot of them. So this is from Mars Cosmetics, and this one is their velvet lip tint, and my shade is Three Words. And look at it, like it's insane. So a perfect hot pink color, and it complements my skin tone very perfectly. Instant glow मिला है मुझे मेरे face पे, and it is a very perfect one. And this costed me around 270 rupees something. वो भी आई गेस बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा सेल हो रही थी इस पर्टिकुलर लिपस्टिन की, सो उन्होंने प्राइसेस बढ़ा दिए शायद से. बट दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स ऑन मी. एंड if I wipe it off and keep the stain, so this is the perfect, like this is the stain that it has left onto my lips, and now if I try to do anything, it's not gonna go. If you can see, it's not going. Another lip product from Mars Cosmetics, and this is their lip drip. Now I'll show you, and I am in the shade Cranberry Drip for this one. Firstly, look at the packaging. When I saw the packaging, I was like, अगर ये shade अच्छा नहीं भी निकलता है, I love the packaging. I love the packaging. It is very good, and the shade is this. I'm in the shade Cranberry Drip. Okay, I'm in the shade Cranberry Drip, and I'll show you how it looks. This is what the shade looks like. Now this shade is for them who particularly like wearing darker shades, and yeah, this is good, but I particularly don't wear these dark shades on daily basis, but yeah, for occasions बहुत अच्छा shade है, and it has that gloss in it, so I like it. But the one thing that I'm not liking about this product is whenever you apply it onto your lips, it gives you that weird smell, and बहुत irritating लगता है मुझे इसका smell. But otherwise it's good. It's darker mauvish kind of a shade, and again you can also wipe it off and see the stain. थोड़ा सा light हो जाएगा, but I particularly like to keep it this way only. It's too dark for me to handle, because usually I don't wear these darker shades, but you can see, if you like it, you can purchase it. The very important thing that I think that every woman should have is a transparent gloss, and this one is from Insight. And if you are absolute beginner for using a gloss, you can go for this one. It costed me only rupees 99, and I purchased it from Amazon itself. And like a transparent gloss, it is transparent. The wand looks little red because of I have used it with red lipsticks. Anyways, it has a very good, what do we say, smell. Like I feel like eating it. It's that tasty. Like it smells that tasty. And instantly I have that beautiful glossy lips. This is not a lip plumper, it is only a gloss. I particularly don't like lip plumpers, and So I wanted to have a simple gloss that acts only as a gloss. That's why I purchased that one. Anyways, this was all the lipsticks, lip oils, lip stains, and lip liners that I own, and you too should purchase. And all the links will be given in the description box. You can directly purchase from the links, or you can go and find it on your own. I have already mentioned the shades, the prices, everything. Do let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, or which one you use on your daily basis and suits your skin perfectly. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe, and goodbye.